Oh, damn. Jumbo. You said it's the money. Got it.
Man, what's up? You know what I'm saying? Team No Skunk in the building once again. Coming to you first time on the ice this year, 2021, soon to be 22, going into 2022. It's time to come out here and, you know, see what we can catch, see if we can limit out real quick. We're looking for walleye, northern, perch. If a bluegill bite, it's on. You know what I'm saying? It's coming home. That's what we do. Team No Skunk in the building.
BAY TV Studios. And here's why. We have winter storm warnings in effect to the northwest of the Fox Valley, winter weather advisories extending from Door County down through Marquette and Green Lake County, and that's where we expect to see the bulk of the snow. To the south and east of that's not under any advisories or warnings, and that's where we can expect a winter snow coming down in central Wisconsin, north central Wisconsin, but you'll see that wintry mix for southeastern counties like Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, and Manitowoc counties. And overnight, we will see the rain get the best of those areas. Through the north and west of the Fox Valley, though, stays purely snow through the overnight hours, coming down at moderate to high intensity, and then we'll see that filling back in as we go into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, those snow showers continue at moderate to heavy intensity throughout the morning and into the early afternoon.
Crazy snow, blizzard style snow, deep snow, following behind a Hummer, headed out. Where we headed out to, bro?
Shano.
Shano.
We're hitting Shano Lake today. In a fucking blizzard.
In a blizzard. In a blizzard.
It was worse than this earlier.
Team No Skunk is in the building. Definitely. Coming out here to get this young limit or two or three. You know? That's what's up. A little bit better visibility. It's not snowing as much. Shano 1 mile. That's what's up with it. Welcome to Shano, City of the Wolf. This is what we go through at Kung Lao Gong Fishing to get the people the content that they oh so desire. Stuck in the middle of the street, Nissan Altima, can't go nowhere, foot of snow, and it's front wheel drive. Stuck, bro. Plow trucks over there. Got a nice foot of snow outside. Everybody's driving out here in these little sedans and two-door coupes. Wow. Super stupid. On a Saturday? Wherever you going, like, is it that important? If it ain't fishing, it ain't important, bro.
You gotta be fishing.
For sure. It's the only reason to be out here. Look at that one. He got so much snow. That's a Jeep. Got so much snow on the front. You can't even see his headlights.
Ain't stopping me. Somebody said.
He's stopping me.
Oh, I'm not stopping.
Can't stop, won't stop. Team No Skunk. Just a little bit. Nice snow trees.
Kind of crazy, I never was big into deer hunting, and then I switched from duck to deer hunting.
Finish line.
Gotta get to that point over there.
Bro, that's like 2 inches.
You got ice?
sitting on 2 inches of ice.
We're good, bro.
All right.
You scared?
No. Right, right. Uh-huh.
Sometimes it's gonna happen.
For sure. See the sun trying to come through?
Ready?
Let's go, Team No Skunk. Cool out, going fishing. December, before Christmas. Ice fishing, before Christmas. It's a blessing.
Let's sell this bad boy. Yeah, look at that piece. That's good. That's bottom piece right there.
You are the prototype. We'll tiptoe to the side. Melt in your mouth, bro?
Hell yeah.
Do things. I know
Buttery.
you're lying. I think I'm in love again.
Wow.
All
Like
right,
Bruce
bro.
Lee, I'll kick you in the mouth.
Like Bruce Lee steak.
Yeah. Bruce Lee Roy.
Yeah, I'm looking for a Bruce Leroy.
Well, I'm Bruce Leroy. No, the Bruce Leroy I'm looking for is a scrawny little punk who think he a kung fu master.
Right.
Yes.
What you say? See one?
Hold on, give me a second. Let me spin this.
Right there. No, it's not it.
You going?
What was it?
Motherfucker disappeared. Next one.
This way? Son?
Yeah, it's over there.
Yours? Fish.
More vegetation.
What's happening? You know what I'm saying? Team No Skunk out here. Definitely working on this No Skunk. But Shano didn't catch at all. Didn't even get a bite with me here at Duck Creek. Looking to get this skunk on office.
You got bees over
I
there.
think I'll just bring one round.
You're out here in Duck Creek. I always want to come here. Finally made it here. I drove past every year, see people fish here, and I always want to fish here. But today I get to do it. There's perch down there though. We'll get them. Not today. He got him. He's got him, the biggest one. That shit work, bro. Man, that's a keeper. Yeah, hold up, hold up.
Tomorrow sunset, man. Let's get it.
Uh-oh. Yeah, baby. Shit.
That's worse.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel bad for that one.
I got mad. He said, fuck this bitch.
Hey, okay, he's still alive. He's still alive. He's gone. Bro, that's too small, man. Oh, Perch City.
That's right there.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah,
That's
baby.
funny.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. There we go, there we go. Yeah, baby. Oh, damn. Jumbo. go. Small one for a small one. Oh, damn. Killing him. Damn, all the big ones over there? God damn, this guy's killing him. Damn it. Oh, my big one.